Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? Oh my gosh, welcome to this channel. Yeah, this channel is growing. We are growing. I'm thankful for my 14 subscribers. You guys, we're on 14 subscribers in 5 days. I'm so thankful. Today, I'm going to start with this is my gratitude journal, y'all. So you see all these papers? You see all this? So before I start my shift, you guys, before I start my shift, I always write my gratitude. So on this page here, I write my like what I'm thankful for that already happened. And on this here, I write what I am manifesting, like the things that I'm grateful but it haven't come. But I'm gonna write it as it's already happening. So this is what I've been doing, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm also believing it that it's going to happen. You gotta have big faith. I am that person who have a big faith. Everything I write in this, I have a big faith that it's gonna come. It's gonna happen. It's gonna I am gonna see the fruit of what I'm writing in here, you know. So I'm about to before I even turn on Spark, I write it down. I write it down when I'm done. That's where I turn on my app. And if I don't do it in the morning, when I go to sleep, it's when I do it. Some of the things that I'm manifesting, it happened. I thank God, and you gotta be that person to be grateful. I am grateful, and to whatever haven't happened, I am sure, and I believe that it's on the way. It's on the way coming, and I am ready for it. I am manifesting this channel to grow and grow and grow. Yo, content creation, it's what I love to do. I love sharing my life. I love sharing what have worked for me. I love sharing what can help others. I love sharing anything. Like I just love to create content. Apart from this channel, I have another channel that I do cleaning videos. If you don't know, and I'm gonna link it down below. So if you really that person who like cleaning videos, go check it out. So anyway, this is not time for you know. So you guys, let me take time and write this down and get back to you guys when we have an order. So you guys, today I'm not gonna spark for the whole full time. I'm only gonna work for maybe 3 hours, 4 hours because it's Saturday. By the way, it's Saturday, and I usually don't work on Saturday, but today because I needed money to do something, that's why I say let me go make the money and go home. So if I make 50, I'm gonna go home. If I make 50, because I know I can get 50 in 2 hours, 3 hours, maybe. We're gonna see. Yeah, I'm not gonna be here for long. So yeah, we just get the first order of the day. $27, 3 mayo and 3 drops. That's a good order right there. That's a fantastic order. Very, very good order. I wish we can be getting this kind of order over here. 3 mayos and they're paying you $27. So $27. So one more order, maybe I'm gonna go home. Yo, after that order, it took us 1 hour and 30 minutes to get the second order. So I just received another order, 22 dollars, 3 orders and 6 miles, and gonna put us to 50, 49 actually. Yeah, $49. So one more order and I'm out. I think. Oh, you guys, I want to apologize for yesterday's video, you guys. It didn't end well. So let me tell you what happened yesterday. After taking like those last orders that I took around, I think it was 4, it was not 5, boom, orders stopped coming in. Like there was no orders at all. I was so surprised because Friday's order be coming back to back, but yesterday I don't know what it was. I don't know if there was too many people out here sparking. I have no idea, but I was like, what's going on? And my goal was to go home at 8, but I didn't go home at 8 because there was no order, so I just went home. Oh, wait, I received an order, guys. Let me see this. It was a bad order. So yeah, so I didn't where was I? Oh, okay. So I went home because there was not order, and yesterday I made 109. It was that slow. 109. That's what I went home with, and sorry the video ended so in a bad way. So yeah. So yesterday I made 109. It was very, very, very slow. So you guys, it's been an hour and some minutes. I haven't received another order, so I don't want to waste time right here because I got too many stuff that I gotta do at home. So I decided to go home right now, and we made 49, y'all. We made 49, so I'm missing $1 for my goal of the day. Missing $1, yo. I'm missing $1, but it's alright. It's alright. We're gonna make it tomorrow or Monday. So anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. If you're really enjoying these videos, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to hit comment. Please share this video to everybody. Thank you so much, y'all. I love you.